Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Mexican kale and chickpea salad with a quick and easy salad dressing. This is such a healthy and filling vegan salad recipe and can be enjoyed as a complete meal for those who are trying to lose weight in a healthy way. So friends, let's get started with this amazing salad recipe. So these are kale leaves, considered to be one of the most nutrient-dense foods. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, K and minerals like calcium, copper, potassium and manganese. Also, kale is a rich source of powerful antioxidants. So I have roughly chopped them. Next, take a large mixing bowl and into it I will add the roughly chopped kale leaves. Then goes around 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. The trick to making raw kale tasty is to massage it with some olive oil for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we will let them rest for a while. Next, here in this bowl I have taken 1 cup of boiled chickpeas and now I am going to saute them. For that, heat a pan and into it goes around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot, we'll add some minced garlic. I have used here 2 large garlic pods. Saute the garlic until they turn golden brown and aromatic. And into it goes the boiled chickpeas. And now we'll quickly season them with some salt or as per taste. A pinch of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And some smoked paprika, say around 1/4 teaspoon or as per taste. And on medium flame we will mix all the seasonings and spices along with the chickpeas and saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. So these are done now. I will turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. Next, I will chop some cilantro or coriander leaves. This will impart a fresh flavor to our kale and chickpea salad. Alright, this is done. And now we'll prepare a quick salad dressing. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next goes 1 tablespoon of honey. Then goes the juice of a lemon. For seasoning, I will add some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of smoked paprika. Now mix all the ingredients well. This is such a quick and easy salad dressing with balanced flavors. Little bit of tanginess, little bit of sweetness with a hint of black pepper and paprika that goes so well with kale salad. And now into our massaged kale goes our sauteed and spicy chickpeas. And to make my salad vibrant and to add some crunch, I am adding here some sliced English cucumber. Next goes 1 medium tomato chopped, some red, green and yellow bell peppers diced, and 1 medium onion sliced. I'll separate the layers of the onion. And to add some fresh flavor goes the chopped cilantro. So all the ingredients are added in the mixing bowl, and now time to add the flavorful salad dressing. And with a big wooden spoon and fork, I am going to toss this well so that the salad dressing combines well with all the ingredients. Toss the salad for a minute or so. Alright, and now time to serve our Mexican kale and chickpea salad. You can enjoy this as a complete meal as it's not just healthy but filling and satisfying at the same time. Loaded with kale, colorful veggies and sauteed chickpeas, this is one such salad which you must definitely try. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.